Okay, we already created the front end and we want to make the or create the backend. But before we jump to backend, I forgot one point. Let me add here before we move on. There is one item for actually disconnect of the Bluetooth, which totally I forgot. Let me just add this part here and let me make it as a disconnect, and let's change something here. Overall, let's make some color here. Yeah, okay. The second point which is needed to mention here, when you go in, when you actually set the background, then you need to take care of the each part of that, because you see the default background, it should come as a none, otherwise it will not show the values. So this is the another part of that. Okay, let's jump from this topic. I will make it, and later you can see the result as the final result. Let's jump to the blog part, and the first you would need for Bluetooth, and for the Bluetooth client you need the I'm sorry, first let's go to list pick. Yes, so we need a before and we need a after. So before this we can say that the list pick, so I need one set list pick, and the item or the section should be element to Bluetooth client, and this Bluetooth client, it should be the address name of that. So I am dropping this to find the Bluetooth address name, and for after, first I need the one control which can give me conditions. Then I am saying that if Bluetooth connect to this address, so I need to go to the Bluetooth call Bluetooth client connect address, then list picker. I need a list picker selection, so I'm coming here and select the selection, which will select the Bluetooth. Then list picker element. Again, I need this one, and it need connect to address name. Okay, perfect. So this part is done, and then I need for Bluetooth error. One is for connect and disconnect, and second is for button when is go to the, let me again to see this button, let me disconnect and get back to the block, this button, and when I'm clicking on this one I want to disconnect the Bluetooth. So in that case, first I want to go for the Bluetooth error, then go to the Bluetooth connect and find the Bluetooth client that disconnect, and if it's happening then I need again the one condition, then let me pick up this, and I'm saying that if Bluetooth is not connected, I'm looking for is connected, so I need a one not if Bluetooth is not connected, then set the label. Where is the label? This is the label for connect. So let's set the label text to disconnected, this disconnected, and then again set this label to for color, and color, let me delete this, in color make it red, dark, right? Then if it's happened, let's call text to speech. Oh, I didn't drop this. Let me add the text to speech and this here. So let's call to speech to message, and make it as a disconnected. Then when I am clicking on button of the disconnected, I want call Bluetooth, again go to the call Bluetooth client disconnect, and then again mention about this text. Let me delete this part and this part as well. Okay, perfect. So now this connection and disconnect already has been set, and we need to jump to other part for getting the values.